In this video, I want to introduce to you the Share a Sale affiliate site.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
It changed a lot over the years. It used to be more for digital products, for small business owners. Now it's promoting a lot of big reputable brands. So now it's a little closer to what CJ.com would be. Here is their homepage. We're actually going to fast forward and look at my account, inside my account, and browse the important features there. So when I log in, we can take a look at some of the brands they're promoting, and you might recognize some of these brands like Thinkific. It's a relatively big brand online. A lot of these you will recognize. And since we're in the education space, let's actually look through what kind of offers they have in the education space. And you'll recognize Masterclass, which is actually a really big website and a really big e-learning site. So they give you a 25% per sale commission. And there's a number of other affiliate sites. Now, Share a Sale actually has an interesting search. So we can look at a lot of details. So you can see how here you can say modify search, and we have a category of education. What we want to look for is interesting things. So CPA leads, we know we like that because they're easy to convert. So we want to see what do we have for CPA leads. Then two-tier programs, those are rare. That's if you get an affiliate and that affiliate becomes also an affiliate, not just a client, but an affiliate. So we're going to skip the two-tier program. You can look through this on your own, but usually those are rare. They're cool, but they're rare. And it's not that easy to get your affiliates to recruit affiliates. So we'll table that for now, but it is intriguing. If you want, you can choose the auto approval. These are automatically approved programs that you can begin promoting on day one. And whatever is interesting for you, you can choose here. I'm just going to search this and let's see what comes up. So here's something interesting. Grammarly comes up. A lot of people know Grammarly. It's the service that helps your writing, and it's often used as a Chrome plugin. What's interesting about this program is they have this relatively standard, okay, $20 sale. Okay, per sale, you get a commission of $20. Cool. But what's interesting also, they give you a commission per lead, which at this rate of 20 cents a lead really probably is just somebody downloading their Chrome plugin or signing up to make an account, something really, really easy and basic. And by the way, Grammarly is for everybody. Anybody doing any kind of writing online, they can use Grammarly. I use Grammarly. I use the free account, but still. So that's a cool thing here. And then you see Masterclass offering a penny per lead. That's kind of lame. Probably they're doing that just to appear on this kind of a search. And you can take a look at other sites that offer leads. Here's $1 lead, Creative Live. So whatever makes sense for your situation, for your type of clients, then you'd browse here. And you see these are very reputable sites, proven sites. You're going to avoid a lot of the scammy and spammy offers that you might find on ClickBank. So this is more trusted, meaning your clients will trust you, and they do have a lot of products and a lot of interesting ways to search for products and different kinds of commissions per sale, per lead. So this has a wealth of great offers. So I strongly recommend that you browse this because it's actually quite good. And often the brands they have are fantastic brands that you can feel proud recommending to your customers.